What's up everyone, Vitaly here, and in this video I'm going to be giving you a comparison between two very popular AI tools used by marketers. You have Chat GPT and then you have Koala. And I'm someone that actually uses both of these tools. In fact, I use the paid version of these tools, and so I have over a year of experience with both of them, using this for my online business, and I'll be sharing with you how I do that. But more specifically, I'm going to be covering this video and breaking it down into 5 different categories. First, I'm going to give you an overview, then I'll share with you where I believe ChatGPT is the winner, then where Koala wins, then I'll just give you some sample work comparison between what ChatGPT produces versus what Koala produces, and then sharing with you which one is better. And so before I do get into that, let me just quickly say that if you are new to this channel, a little bit of background about myself before we move forward with the video. My name is Vitaly and I run an online business. I do this full time. I do affiliate marketing, email marketing, YouTube affiliate marketing, traffic generation, paid ads, making money through having ads on the site and getting traffic to it. There's a whole variety of things that I know about and I do for a living, which I basically teach on this channel. And if you are new, or perhaps you're struggling and you need help with this subject overall, I'm going to be leaving a link below this video to a free course that you can take that basically gives you the baseline fundamentals of what you need to know to get started with this, to do this correctly. Because when I was coming up in this business, I hit a lot of road bumps because I didn't have the right direction, and this will give you that right direction if that's what you're looking for. So I highly recommend you check that out if you're someone that's new or struggling to online business, affiliate marketing, making money online, that kind of stuff, because I do this for a living. Here are some of my stats in this business, and so I'll be teaching you how all of that works. But getting back to the main subject, the first thing that I want to talk about is just basically give you an overview. Now, obviously, both ChatGPT and Koala are AI tools, and we're talking about these two tools from a perspective of online business, because yes, people use it for things other than online business, but I use it for my online business. And so ChatGPT has a variety of features that it can be used for, as can Koala. So think of this section of the video as like a comparison and contrast between both of them. So in terms of comparison, both of these tools can be used to ask questions, write Pinterest pins, write email marketing templates. You can write product reviews. You can do roundup, like a top 10 list, a top 5 list of products or locations to visit or something like that, for blogging purposes essentially. And it also is something that you can also use both of these tools in an enhanced way. And what I mean by that is, if you're not happy with the work that it produces, you can be really specific with how you want it to be produced. And both Koala and ChatGPT are excellent when it comes to that. So those are the things in terms of similarities about how that works. I would say both are somewhat beginner friendly. In order to fully use it, basically you're going to have to get some experience under your belt when it comes to both of these tools, because there are so many features which both of these tools have that essentially make them very versatile. And so if you're a beginner marketer and you don't really know where to start and do these things, I would recommend that you check out the free versions of them, because like I said before, I am someone that uses the paid versions of these. So play around with the free versions first before you decide on which one you want, and I'll talk about which one I think is better. Now, that's in terms of similarities. In terms of contrasts, one of the main differences that makes Koala, for example, different from ChatGPT is that even though it can do the same things ChatGPT does, in fact, it actually integrates ChatGPT into its system in addition to Claude, which is another AI tool. Koala can basically produce for you much more comprehensive content with the work that it does. And what I mean by that is, let's say that I have some kind of blog article, or rather I'm trying to write some kind of blog article on, let's say, the 10 best things to do in a place like Hawaii. So if you're running like a travel blog, you're trying to make money off it, that's a popular destination that people visit. So let's say I'm trying to write an article. With ChatGPT, yes, it can definitely produce an article on that kind of subject, but with Koala, it can actually go further. So yes, both ChatGPT and Koala will produce for you an article on that kind of stuff, and I'll show you that with the sample work in a moment. But where Koala kind of goes extra step is that it can actually even add AI images into it. I would say the text that it provides in the actual article is a bit more comprehensive. And at the same time, it can also integrate affiliate links as well. So while ChatGPT can write for you some kind of article with like the top 10 or maybe even an affiliate product review, and it does a great job of doing that, you then would have to go in and insert your affiliate links or find the products and just kind of like, do a bit more post-publishing work to finalize that piece of content. Whereas with Koala, pretty much right out of the gate, it can insert affiliate links into the article that it writes. It can insert internal, external links, which are relevant if you're doing more SEO related stuff on your blog post. You can actually, if you're doing affiliate marketing and you're associated with Amazon, for example, it will find products for you and write product reviews in a listicle format, which is a bit more, I would say, way more comprehensive than ChatGPT. Not to take away from ChatGPT, it does an awesome job, but if we were rating this on a scale of 1 to 10, where 10 is like black belt level and 1 is just like, I don't even know if this is an AI tool or some crap, Koala is a 10, and ChatGPT, I would say at best can be like a 7 or 8 when it comes to that. And a 7 or 8 can be really good too. I've gotten results with that as well, so let me just throw that out there. Now moving forward into the next thing, which is where ChatGPT wins, I would say in the very beginning, ChatGPT is a bit more beginner friendly when it comes to that kind of stuff. When you do chats with ChatGPT and you ask it to do certain things for your online business, I find, for me personally at least, that it's easier to create a dialogue between myself and ChatGPT. Whereas with Koala, here's their AI writer and stuff. I asked them to write some stuff on that. For me, it takes a little bit longer to get used to. It is also beginner friendly, but with ChatGPT, it's a bit more. It's just a little bit easier to use in the beginning, but I would say that it does level out and both of them are beginner friendly. Another thing where ChatGPT is really good is that I would say there are, well, honestly, I'm going to say that's about it. And with regards to where Koala is better, I would say that in most regards, it can do pretty much whatever ChatGPT does. But on top of that, because it does also integrate ChatGPT into its AI, it can provide even more. Like I said before, it can provide you with pre-made AI images that are just, it's really difficult to tell the difference between them. I've made AI images in ChatGPT, which are good, but you can tell that it's AI. And you have to go like, the extra step and really go deep into the settings of what you wanted to produce in order to really get those results where you can't really tell that it's an AI image or not. Whereas with Koala, almost right out of the bat, it can produce images for you, which is just like, I don't know if this is real or if this is AI. And I have my own opinions about AI and stuff, but if we're talking about end results, Koala delivers better AI images overall. So that's where the Koala tool wins. Both of them can be absolutely versatile for your online business. So let's talk about sample work. So I'm going to show you 2 articles real quick. So this is one that I recently made. This is made by Koala. I'm actually going to show you the ChatGPT one first. So in fact, I'm just going to show you a ChatGPT article, which is like a top 10. So here's one that's made by ChatGPT. I inserted these images myself. These are not AI, but it's called 10 Best Things to Do on the Maine Coast. Overview. I did polish a little bit after this, and just put that out there. So this is the first one. Right there. These are must-see attractions. This is all ChatGPT, and I actually think this is excellent content. This is the second one over here. These are images that I inserted by myself, by the way. So must-see attractions, this and this and that. This is also nice. So this is just giving you an idea of what it's like. And if you see these ads over here, this is actually how I monetize this website, and it does all right. So this is one of the other ways that I make money online, basically. Moving forward, again, I added these images myself. I did that as well. And the good thing about ChatGPT is that while I was happy with this, I could have gone further. I could have asked it to do more comprehensive stuff, like, add the best times to visit whatever this location is or something like that. So this is just basically an idea of what ChatGPT can produce for you. Now, the next one we have is Koala. So this is a fully produced article by Koala, which this is all AI. This is what it produced. Now you can maybe tell that this is AI, but this is a different kind of subject. This is an AI image. This is content produced by Koala, and I could update it if I wanted it to be this way, like with ChatGPT, must visit locations and all that stuff, just basically making it more comprehensive. But this is all of the images here are AI. So you can't even tell if this is real or not. That's how advanced that this is. So I would say that this is Koala. You can draw your own conclusions. You can pause these videos if you want to kind of do your own research, but I'll kind of give you the 30,000-foot overview where if we're talking about affiliate product reviews, listicle type of articles, I would say that Koala is superior to ChatGPT. That's just my personal opinion, but ChatGPT can still produce amazing results. Again, don't get me wrong. I like both tools. That's why I still keep using both of them, including the paid versions. And so finally, when it comes to which one is better, I mean, to be honest with you, you can't really go wrong with either of them. If you're someone that is, quite serious when it comes to blogging, Pinterest, creating email templates, just online business related kind of stuff, both tools can be absolutely awesome for you. Both of them are beginner friendly. I would say that ChatGPT is a bit easier to get used to initially than Koala, but that doesn't change the fact that both of them are easier, after that, to use after that. Then when it comes to the subject of which one becomes much more, not necessarily, both of them are versatile, but when it comes to the subject of which one can deliver more quality work for you in terms of affiliate product reviews, better AI images, and just really awesome content, I would say Koala is a step up from ChatGPT. That's just my personal opinion. Both of them can be, tried out for free, which I do recommend that you do. But both of them have paid options. If you can do one, I would say Koala is better. Again, you can't go wrong with ChatGPT either. So to be honest with you, whichever one you choose, you're choosing a high quality AI tool to help you with your business. Now, if you don't understand how all of this works and how to use it, then I would strongly recommend that you, check out that beginner course that I was talking about in the beginning of this video, because there's no point in using such powerful tools if you don't know how to actually use them. Most people tend to think like, oh, there's an AI tool, it'll set up all the work for me and I don't have to do anything. It's usually a sign that you don't really understand this business very well. And in that regard, you need to have certain fundamentals down. You need to understand how to make websites. You need to understand how to get traffic. You need to know how to market before you actually, do all of this AI work that can lead to having good results. So I would recommend that in that case. So that summarizes everything that I wanted to talk to you about in this video. And I will say that my comparison between both of these tools is a bit more on the surface. There's way more complicated things that I could have talked about. And frankly, I'm just a very general individual when it comes to doing product reviews and stuff like that. I don't like to be complicated. I like to be simple. And so if this review helped you, let me know. But if you do know certain other things that I didn't mention here where you can do a comparison and contrast between both of these tools, just feel free to leave your comment below so we can add to the dialogue with that. So I mentioned those links that I'll be leaving in the description and pinned comment of this video. If you have any questions about that overall, let me know. But other than that, thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next video. Take care, everyone.